Hey, Alpha, welcome. Your peer the talk, Thomas. But if you don't show now to take create business war. Now, a lot of business, do they like me? They get business war. Now, notice say business war no be flyer. Sometimes it no won't look like this one. Say this one I show for as an sample. Business war no be flyer, but it just be like design where they show all your products. People don't only put them for their WhatsApp, TV, DPs, and they only put them for their Facebook page. That man will just dig there. You understand? Don't be like flyer where they make they change anything. That business was so just dig there like that on your own. If you make them finish now, you go observe and you go check them to see and say if the thing confirm. Now, first of all, what we want to do be say very clear. We want create business work from scratch. I could teach you how to create everything I take there for you. Now, the first one we need to bring we say more create the logo. But now to create this logo where we already do for you, it could take time. We'll probably also make the video too long again. And this might be the long normal. This logo where they there, I don't create them before. I don't teach how to make them. And check the channel, check the video, or check the description. So if you go see link to take know how to make this particular image so where they already there. I already make them before. You understand? So you don't have to make particular image to there. But for those who know that watch that video, may you just join me. The time I want to do sharp now be say I'll come here. Man go default. Now if you compare live, now all of us they see be this. Should be good. Now this one and I want to make we use on this star work now. For those who don't watch the former video before this one, no wala, you feel still catch up. So normally if you want to create business wall for person, they give you logo where you want to use. But logo one want use, we don't create them before. But now what we want to do, I want bring in some image come inside now. So I click import. Now I not go bring in the full logo because I want make those when no journal for the last video, but I see get some idea of what they do for you. So what you want to do now be say I want just bring in partial of the image one want use. Now observe what I want to do for you clearly because what you want let me say for you a new skill where the trend where many people need very well. So what you want to do for you quick now, it is very simple. Now just quickly carry this head. Carry this head because that be the main thing one want use. So I don't carry the head now. So you see the head already there on the own. So the head clear. Now what you want to do be say this head no be the main logo. You feel carry any image at all for those who don't join for the last video. Now I just write the main logo. Sometimes safe the main logo fit just be test. So more go test as more go write the name of the business. And the head we don't carry, I don't show how to create that head for the last video. You whenever watch and still go check them out. But now if you don't want to check them out, no while more we just stay continue. So and the name of the business we want to do example be this. And when you watch this one go dey very interesting. More see how we fit create this one reach the end. So I increase the speed, my brand come down. I just pray make I fit get and last for the last video because I already do this logo pass, but I want just still redo them again. So man reduce the sizing for the head, more reduce the sizing. The width too big, more reduce on small. Okay, we have only 55. It don't do okay like that for there. So more position and way for up. More position and way for up. Good. More make sure say it is center. Click relative position. Click and more make sure say it is center. And if the general now the font one won't use for them and the font what of so we'll use what we used last time we'll make the original logo. So we'll just use a more journal to the edge so it could still make sense. Now I don't move and go up. Now I won't go the font side. Font now sorry I use font. The name now handwriting. Now I'm go the handwriting. The name of the handwriting one is they call it Devil Breeze. So now we used last before. That's why I did my recent. They call it Devil Breeze. Now to take know how to take add all this handwriting. If you know sabi add handwriting for this Apple they copy cell app. I already make that video. If you go check them, you know if you explain them again for you, go make the video too long. So I position this one carefully. I go relative position. I put them where for center. But it to go touch the D. I say shift and come down small. More shift and come down small. Okay. So we don't put her now. So we get the degener and we just get the small d, the degener right there down. Now what if the next thing we want to do now? The next one we want to do now, the next one we do for the last video where we make. Now we want to include the services where this person they do. Now before to do that, more add some spice to this thing. Now what we want to do next? Now one write which kind of category business the person they do. Now before to that one, more reduce this thing first. More add some lines like how we see them for the original logo. More reduce the lines small because we don't want to make this line too big or make it too short. Okay, so we just see one line. Okay, now move. If you tap this place, they tap the line too small. If you use here, they tap them. If it's too small. Now, what I want to do with this first line now, what I want to do with that, my position and where. I'm a position and where for under here. Hope you just see where the first line go. Now, don't forget, say, if the line too big, my for the tap the line, nobody tap on that one. If the line too big, if you see come here where they write edit, you see reduce the line how you want them. I thought they reduce the line. I made to reduce the line again. Good. So mark tap the line and mark position and where again. If the line too big, if you by yourself just carry go reduce how you want them. So now one of the lines be this. So more tap this line. This one where they up so me they don't just short us again. More lock them. More lock the D, multi-lock the general because finally this thing they touch. Now this line so more copy them. So 50 we use the line. Don't forget say we don't make this video. Even if you say you know go there exactly the same. I don't make this video for pigeon. So if you still go watch how to create this logo, I don't make them. But this one because we too want to do we need logo. Now we recreate this logo and now I can't make this video take long. Now we too want to now we don't put the digital for this other side. Now one make sure say this digital so we did the correct side. All of them there's space where you know they anyhow. To make sure say they center the space, they use this your tool where they call grid tool. If you tap the grid tool now, if you come this side now, make sure to position them to check if they did the same line. If you put this line for here now, you see see wetin I fit do first, I press here first, then I come press this place first. I come fit choose. You fit position this one, make you make sure say you may no pass here. I come put I fit put am for here now. I come say okay, make this one no pass here. I come fit put this one for here now. Say oh, make this one no pass here. So this one now we this and the gauge our design. You understand? We this and the gauge our design make it make sense. Now you be that. So after you come out that thing and you see what will come remain. So if you on am, if you still tap him you offer. Now we too want do next. Now we want include the person's services. But before we do that, we need to still space this thing small. More come out this test, more space this thing small. More go position, more still space this one. Go fast small. More come over to this one. More still space and small. Good. Nice and good. We just space and way. Now more come the test side. More can go add test now. What we need. Now which test we want add now? The test to be Phoebe slogan if it be anything where be say you know say this person na him e dey do if it be say anything we do. So if you put something like this, you see am so. But if you say this hand where they thing too big, because one make sure say all these things what they do so e dey as short as possible. So fit include the hand symbol. So fit put am like this, depend on how you want to do am. So we'll go over to our font side now. We'll go my font. We'll choose font where you know say go make sense. Me they chook from inside this and that where you know say you go fine. If you choose any other where you want. So you can add right where you want choose. Where you know say if you choose them, and that add right will make sense part. So we'll click design and vendor. We'll reduce the size. Come back now. Okay. We'll reduce the size. So more position this thing way now for center. Okay, more position this thing was so position but you see I'm say we too right too long. We too right too long. So major reduce some too long. So my position away now for center. More move and go up. More move and get come down. Okay, now what you want to do now? This the sticks what we they use now. See the too big. More position the stick way. More push the stick come down once. See, I they move by 4 pixels. Move and come down once. Push and go back once. Then start to do so. Touch the other one. Go position. Move and come down once. Push and go back once. Good. Now, we'll go to the online vendor now. We'll move on. Come down to once. You see them? Good. Move and come down once. We'll reduce the size. We'll find out the position and where for center. You see them? So if you increase the size small, if you say it will make sense. So more position and where now. Now we don't increase the size, position and where. Okay, more make sure say it just dey middle. More make sure say it dey middle. Okay, should be you understand, should be the follow. See how they spend time for this one, and that be the reason why I say, oh, we know if we make the same video again because it go too long. Now this one the first part of the video. Now not only be 2-1-1, just the first part be this one. Now more focus on why we come here, we 2-1 do. Now the next part of the video now be say, wetin this person they do. You go up, which kind of service is this person they offer? Now one list start so. Now more tap the test, more click this edit test now. Now observe this side where. Now for you now want include all the services where the person they do. Now this person now, if they do services like so you see the first one, unisex clothing, we think them, come and move this thing, come and move and go up. Okay, now we can list everything the person they do. Okay, the person still the sell jerseys. This one I write for you why they read because all these clients I don't feel they remember all their job finish for it. Okay, let's put jeans for there. Okay, more check. Okay, let's say it all finish. So they can use the and lot small. Okay, now say your B. So the main service where the person they do. Shebi, now what you want to do first of all, go this align place. Now go align and go center. You understand what I do? So make sure say everything where you do now they aligned to center. That one is very important. That part right there. Now make sure everything you do they align to center. Now before after they align to center, that time we can go over to this side. We'll go see the true color of this thing now. We'll go reset. We'll choose handwriting from. You see so see the handwriting now. What we choose, give them. So I'm gonna position this thing where now. Now what if we do also if we reduce the size. See so we don't reduce the size now. Now I'm gonna go position. We'll make sure say we'll just use position for center. You see so we don't put unisex clothing, human hair, jerseys, jeans, and lots more. You see so now for the last part now, what you want to do now? You see we won't include the person's social media handles. Might add a date for this thing, make I put the full stop, might click the OK. Now more add the person's social media handle. Now be the last part for this thing. So now social media will now they create. Now be the last part. Make into this straightforward. So more click this plus icon, we hit from gallery. Now more man go find WhatsApp picture whether if you download. Now if you never get WhatsApp picture for inside your phone, just go search WhatsApp. You'll see some picture. Save the picture. If the picture you just save them, you can't come where you locate and now there they go find. So you go there my 4BA because it is memory card. So you go there around there. Memory card is save my things go. So you go find where you locate them. You go fit take some time, but find where you locate the WhatsApp picture, and now you can add. Now one add. So even if on Facebook is still use, even if Facebook wants to use, go find where you locate the Facebook on. You will still find way again to still add them. Okay, we'll do the day near to the WhatsApp picture. It's not a different WhatsApp picture. This someone just pick this WhatsApp picture. I already said download. Now you see and see this WhatsApp picture now where we want use. You get background, but we don't want the background. You understand? Now more clean the background. I just teach this thing many times, but now still learn am again for those where they visit this place the first time. So more go erase color. Once we click enable, nothing will happen. Nothing will stop. You say the white will clear come out should be good, or the white will come out. It makes sense. You try, you say you remember. Now all the white will clear come out to good, but all this white will see the body where see they show small. What you want to come out and so good. For his tolerance they come out and should be clear. Good with tolerance, but not to go tolerate them because everything will come tolerate come out. You see how the green side they come out. Now just come out, just increase the tolerance small. Increase the tolerance small. If they get another thing where you want say you want increase, example the edge is rough, you feel use this smooth edge to come out the edges where you feel say they rough, but you make the tolerance not too high. Make the tolerance not too high. You understand? And if you see you still get another color where you want come out, click this plus icon. Number 2 will show. Click this where they put drop icon. Touch the color where you want to make come out. You understand? So touch the color, click good. Increase tolerance for that one. Make that color come out. You touch the color where you want, make it come out. So my first one be this now. So what you want to now more reduce the size should be. So more come size. I don't know they talk for there, but more reduce the size. Okay. This one I put the gossip. I don't know why they disturb this my video, but no verse for the noise. Now for you now I want put the person WhatsApp number. We put the person WhatsApp number, and we also need to still put then I'll put the person WhatsApp number. Note the width and height what we they use. I want use 6 for the width and height. Now I'll tap we'll bring in the WhatsApp number where the person writes. So I'll tap a test. We want to edit the test. WhatsApp number come aside. WhatsApp number now +234 package where they use. If it's a 080 anyone 8161896614. If you say if you take form your own number if you don't get any work presently at hand where you want design for. But now so you see now more we go we change the font, the handwriting. We'll go recent, we'll just use our normal blogger signs. Don't forget the blogger signs. I know download them more. If follow blogger account, if you tap this font, if you go your blogger, when you tap font, this first place, so you'll go see blogger signs here for here. I know download and follow blogger account. The one you download now go show for this side. So this one it day follow come. So mark more click OK. Now see I'm saying you're big for everywhere. More reduce the size. Come not me big. So more position away. So done are the first one. let's more increase the size once. Okay, now more we also can add the person Facebook on. Now more go find Facebook picture, more click the plus icon, we can click from gallery, more go find Facebook picture where we feel use. So more go find Facebook picture, more click photos, more find Facebook picture, more bring the Facebook picture coming inside the video. So more pause and first. So I just see Facebook picture, so I tap this Facebook picture right there. If you don't get Facebook picture, need to do go search me download. So click plus. Now Facebook picture, oh nice sweet pass save. We'll go command the background save. We'll click this erase color. Okay, everything that white okay, erase finish. We'll increase tolerance. So the white will come out. Now we'll reduce the size. You know the size what we used before. The size what we used for WhatsApp, now we'll still use for this one. We'll reduce because this one your big any and we'll reduce put them for around 6 and 6 still okay. We'll come back and come. We'll come move on small. Okay, now you can include the Facebook name where you want to use. Now for this one, I might just copy this one. You tap it, you want copy, you click copy, and you tap down, you go edit them, more try. So the Facebook name where they give me for this one like this the right time. So just include Facebook name. Okay, more position this one. Move on. Okay, we try to move fast. More reduce the speed and move by 1 pixel and more and closer. We'll come move this one, go forward, come it down. So you see, so it's just this simple and straightforward. To observe, just this simple and straightforward, no stress put. So we don't finish like this, but we know if we finish without we know add spice into it now. We're gonna add some spice. I'm gonna spice up this wall. You see, so this wall now does show the person full business, everything once. You understand? The wall does show the full business. It show the full business once, for one glance. Now, more we spice them up. More spice them up. Click this save button. My first save on my project. I like to save on my project. You know why? In case something happen, can't lost. So if you come back to pixel app, they can't save them. Pixel app already save them for me as .pap file, so I can't come and use them anytime I want. Case the thing spoil. Now that day we don't reach this point now. We don't try reach this point. The very part. Now, more I click this online vendor. I don't know. Let's say that come up position. More we shift and small. Okay. Now, what we want to do now be say it is very simple. But now the most trickiest part will bring finance to your destiny. As I just save my project. What we want to do next? Want merge everything. I'm gonna merge everything. We'll check if it gonna make sense. But before we do that one, we'll check something. We'll go image size. We'll check if it will contain YouTube thumbnail. Okay. You know contain scatter. Okay, then scatter. So more you go bring and come back from our. So now we do want to more try and merge everything. We first save them as project again. We'll merge everything. Good. We'll click this merge. We'll merge them. Now we don't merge them now. All of them will be one. So even if we say we want change the size now, no go affect us because we don't merge and all of them will be one. So like this. Now we still want to be say I'll merge them so we want add texture. So we'll check texture will make sense now for this thing. Now I don't explain before for the previous videos what texture mean. You just be like say you want to and that picture, image or any color for inside one particular image. But you go see now what it mean very quick. Just observe. Oh fine. We'll go with this one first. We'll say I go be. Rotate. So what you do now, Vasabi, you know, no really matter. Okay. We'll go texture. Okay, it's just what the texture they do should be. Now what they do now be this. Now be texture. Now if this texture not to make sense for you, if you go delete them, I'm gonna go our background side. If you choose any background you want. Since if I choose black now, see how the texture going to come aside. But if you don't like this texture, if you change it, first of all, more we change our background first, more see how the texture really make sense. More put image for background. So I did the image side, I did the background side, and I don't come out for image side. Go to the background side, I click from gallery. So if we add image, I click photos. So I add something at the background, I see how it go be. So more go find wetin go make sense for the background. Okay, we get this one. Okay, this one dey nice. What if we can add stroke? Okay, you fit still add stroke if you want. Now the texture we talk about, more of him talking about the texture. So I don't go back to the texture side. I did the image side. Now I go texture. Now I want to delete this texture. I want to find that texture. What if it makes sense? Now why they do this thing? Be say I want to just show and say design no dey take one process. You fit just dey play around with your design. As you dey play around am, you come up with another nice idea. So no be say now more say will follow me of exactly what how they do. If you just go change, use any color where you want, use anything, just to use your design they play, just they play around with am. That is if you get time, and if you know they're on a deadline, example like me now. But if you just play as you dey practice, because now the more you design they play, and the more you take master that particular design. So we got many textures to choose from here. You see, get this gold on. So we get this one also. Where if you choose from, if you add stroke, if you check them, if this one makes sense, move add stroke. Make the stroke be black. So you just see yeah, it feel I make sense, should be. the film should be good, and so your be the design we go do, you're going to fill the design. So more go this emboss now, more do the last part. More click emboss, you see I can be, you can make a, I think we emboss be this. So basic English DMNE, so we know. So more change intensity, more increase the ambient lighting, more increase this peculiar hardness, more increase you can make design this so much be. Now more reduce the bevel. What be this bevel? Bevel and this thing where they make and look somehow. So more just put that for 4. We don't want too many. More make with clearness. However, so it could make sense. More position aware. So we don't position everything. Now what we go fit still do again? What we want fit still do again for the design? No day, no many. Just we save our design now. Sharp. It will make sense like that if we save and sharp. But if you want, if you use this perspective, if you on them, see mean be say if you use them, make it make sense. You understand? If you want make it make sense small, if you still use them. Like if you want make it lie down, if you still use them. See icon lie down. Now perspective mean if you just play around with the perspective, how you want make the person to see him. So it not be a big deal. We say it could take you 20 years to learn. You see, you understand? Now be perspective. So if you play around the perspective, or you just feel leave a mile off my own, will be must. So line be this. So more save and click save as image. Make sure say our quality, our dimension, they ultra. So call hit save to gallery. Because I put that for ultra, you don't already know why. I need to explain to you. It could take time. Not say the video long, but you learn anything new for this video, or this video makes sense, or this visual they use not make sense, more go back to English where everybody they use. But tell me for the comment section. So I'll soon for the next video. Just wait. If the event that finish, you go save. You know go reach 3 minutes. But surely you go to like 2 minutes or 1 minute. Now you don't did that start to save. So if you all wait small now you go just save. See image saved. So if it makes sense, tell me for the comment section. And they like encouragement, they make my head swear. I'll see you now later.